Okay, so today we're going to be starting a new series in Bee Swarm. It's just going to be like some Beesmas stuff. I'm really excited. Okay, so just here's an update. I got new boots. That's about it. Oh, somehow I have balloon aura. I don't know how. I don't remember doing any balloons recently. Might just be a little bug. Oh, I have it forever. Huh. Yeah, balloon aura forever. Okay, so let me just move my face cam over here and see what quest they have. Sorry about the face cam. Okay, so I'm going to do candled beetles. So I ask them, can someone please help me with snow? Bear, 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 I mean. It's not. Oh well. Now, what should we do? I have balloon aura forever. Oh, yay, something complete. There's no bear. There's no bear. There's no bear. Oh. Yes. Lag. Oh. Why? Am I just stuck like that? Well, that's depressing. At least I have balloon aura forever. Yeah, they didn't do it in time. Okay. I don't know how I got balloon aura forever. It's probably just I'm just going to pause at the time so I don't waste any time because I have barely any storage. Okay, so first on my list, I'm going to defeat one mantis. Science Bay will finally be happy. I have a lot of lag. I'm probably dead right now. Please, what are you doing? Where are you? I think my bees are non-existent. Okay, so I got my bees back. Second on my list is defeat 3 more line beetles. Okay, so I'll be right back when that's done. So they'll be right. Okay, so Polar Bear's happy now. So I'm going to go to Science Bear first. fascinating. So there's at least 18 types of bees. Some interesting notes on the mechanics behind plant pollination. By studying these, I can believe I can unlock some potential in your swarm. Thinking. Aha! There we go. From here on out, your bees will be able to convert 25% more pollen to honey at a time. That brings that conversion efficiency to 350. Report back to me when you're ready to do more research. Snow globe, what's the snow globe? A very successful hive typically contains a variety of bees that play different roles. These bees on the mountain can be categorized into different groups based on the abilities they produce. Bees that produce haste tokens help you move faster. Bees that produce focus ability tokens help you more pollen by enabling critical hits. The bees determine which is the optimal ratio of each type of bee. We'll need to employ scientific method. Let's give it a shot. Don't you think that's too much? Okay, so my battery's nearly dead, so I'm gonna have to be really quick with this one. Boots, go! Boots, boots! That's all the ingredients I need. Okay, let me whisk something up. Chop chop, sizzle, a dash of honey, stir. All done, enjoy. Well, I'm always ready to eat. I'll be waiting when you're ready for more cooking. Hey there, it's hungry. If you collect the ingredients, I'll cook something good. So good, it will probably increase the maximum energy of your bees by 5%. I'll even do some honey for dessert. Check the quest menu to see our next recipe. What is it? Teriyaki jerky. Let's see how hard it is. Kind of easy, to be honest. Well, time to dig into the bees must feast. Nom nom nom! Okay, so what did we get? Laggedy McLag. Okay, so we got 3,360 bond, 12 bitter berries, 20 blueberries, and 52 treats. Okay, so I think we're just going to do one more thing in this video, and that is bees. Yeah, bees. You're the luckiest person. Let's see if I can level up any bees. Da 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 da. Okay, so let me just draw a bee for some reason. I don't know why. There's bee. There's vicious bee. So there's a vicious bee for you. And back on. So what can we do? I can level this up. Level up. Should I level it up? Should I? Rip blueberries. Well, that's the end of the video, I think. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed it. If not, well, just why are you here then? Well, bye.